Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Now let's begin. Here today we are going to work on this image. In this image we are going to remove the background, the clouds, and leave the trees only. Okay, let's begin. First open the image where it is located. This is the images. Here today I am going to work on this image. First you have to unlock the layer, and what people normally do, they choose the magic wands and select the part they want to remove it and click delete. You remove the parts, but when you zoom in you can see that there's some parts are still there. So to remove one by one it's not possible, so we go for the better, easier and faster way. Let me close this one and beginning with the new one. So again I'm open the image again. Here first of all you need to unlock the layer. By pressing this key here you will be unlocked this layer. Now we are going to work on this image. First what you need to do, go to select and select the color range. Here the fuzziness, increase the fuzziness. You need to collect this one and increase the fuzziness. You can see the white around it. Press it. Okay. Now these parts are selected. Now go again and do inverse. After that, the next step is you have to add marks on that layer. So add marks. Here you can see that background has been removed in one click. Let's zoom it and have a closer look. You can see that here all the background has been removed, and on the zoom out and only the tree is there. Yeah, this is the proper way to remove the background from the trees. When you have to work in a particular or small pieces, it's very hard to go each step individually. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.